Hello, and welcome to another episode of Mother Trucked. Here we have my 1967 F250. For those of you that are new, we picked this thing up in rough condition. All we've accomplished so far is polishing less than half of this truck. And today, we're gonna clean out the inside, get a good baseline. Nothing's like a clean interior to make you wanna drive it. So I'm hoping that'll inspire me to get a lot more done a lot faster. Let's see where we're gonna start.
Before we work on anything new, I want to take a look at where we started. Picking this thing up rough around the edges. We polished one side and saw the beauty that was hidden underneath. And so I was inspired to start doing one piece every day and post it on TikTok. I hate to say it, TikTok. And this is what the progress started looking like. As you can see, for the most part, the oxidized layer comes off great. There's a little blue hidden in the cracks there I'm just not able to get to. I think it still looks great. We're taking the stainless steel pieces, and with some help from Santa's helpers, we're gonna get them polished up, hopefully. We'll see. The air box, air breather, air filter housing, polished up great. Always some happy employees. Slow going progress, but I believe in them. In the last 4 days or so, polishing a one piece a day has been really satisfying. It's slow going for the most part, but you could see the finished product. It just totally surprises you. So sit back, relax, I'll stop talking, let you watch. It's just so dang satisfying. Take a look at it. Who would have thought that was underneath? Not me. I'm grateful it is. So these side mirrors had to come off. They're a little crunchy looking, little nasty, so just worked my magic on those as well. We'll see how they turn out. I am just getting too lucky. This stuff is buffing out beautifully. Side view mirror, check. Rebuild,
Man,
check.
she turned out better than I
I
deserve.
wonder if she's going to run as good as she looks.
All things considering, this inside is not too bad. With the shop vac and a little elbow grease, I think we can make some real headway in here. Let's get it started.
Here's a little show and tell of the progress we're making. Half clean, half not. Very good. Just like the paint, this thing is just spit shine away from looking good, looking better.
what I'm gonna show you next is satisfying. I'm still gonna do a couple things in here, but let's just see the progress so far. So we'll start here at the doors. See this surface rust? We're gonna try to take care of that here. Cleaned up good. The seat. Now this is like a OEM style, you know, they just put this over the original. Very nice, I like it. Obviously came back to life. We're gonna shampoo the carpets here. Just gave everything a good wipe down. As you can see over here, we got that surface rust again. So that's gonna be our next project to tackle here. Obviously just a dash cover. I don't know if I'm gonna take it off yet. You guys, if you've watched this far, put it down in the comments what you think I should do. So far, good progress. Looks very nice.
In the past, I've just been able to use some cutting compound and some elbow grease to get most of it out. This is deeper, so there's still going to be a couple bubbles, but it does look better overall.
Okay, I'm tempted to go over with like a little finer polish, but turned out pretty good. Better. Let's knock that out. Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. We will be shampooing these carpets. Maybe later. But overall, I think we made a good dent. Definitely liking what I'm seeing. How about you? Ooh. It's getting pretty sweaty out here. You know, I don't mind for you guys. I'll do it, but I think we made most of the dent without the shampooer. We're in a good spot interior-wise. Let's keep chugging along on the outside.
Unfortunately, we did not keep chugging along, but we had a great fun-filled weekend with the family. A lot of stuff. Life is busy. That's good. So stay tuned for the next episode where hopefully we're beyond the exterior and we're working on the mechanics, getting this thing back on the road. If you want to see the exterior get truly buttoned up, I'll post shorts and TikToks. Love you guys. Bye.